Hey guys, it's the Econ here, and on this video I'm going to show you my step-by-step process when launching a new product. We will cover how to create the images and optimize them for web, how to add the products to your Shopify store with proper SEO so you can get rank 1 very fast. We will create the social media post, a Reels, and also a TikTok. And to finalize it, we're gonna create an email newsletter and an SMS blast so we can get the maximum exposure and hype on our product. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so the first step is to create the images and optimize them for web. I have Lightroom open right here, so we're gonna go with this one. We just right click and edit in Photoshop. Now we'll make some adjustments to make it look super nice, and we're gonna save it. But to save it, I like to do it this way. Look, I press File, Export, Save for Web, Legacy. These images are on a 5:7 aspect ratio, and we're gonna choose for the width 1200 pixels. This will be big enough for people to actually zoom in the page. But look at the size, 1.1 megabyte, that's too much. So we're gonna come here and select Quality. We're gonna put it in high, so 60% quality. Now the file decreases a little bit in quality, but it's almost imperceptible to the eye. And look at the file size, it's only 300 kilobytes. And we have it right here. But very important, you have to change the name. This is for SEO. So we're gonna put something a little bit more SEO friendly. So we're putting the Sweet Science, the name of the product, Sweat Activated, which is the word that I wanna rank for, shared with invisible design, okay? Shared with invisible design is another keyword that I want to rank this product for in search engines. The next step will be to upload the product to Shopify with proper SEO. So we will go to Products, Add Product. Add a title. For the description, I like to add some images, and then of course, a keyword-dense description, all right? So we have the name of the product, and then we have a bunch of keywords for SEO. Let's add the images. Boom, boom, boom. Open. We reorganize them really quickly. Open each one of the photos that you have. Click on Add Alt Text, and then put some SEO keywords. The good thing is that we have 3 images that we can put a bunch of keywords there, and this is super useful. We save it, add all of the variations, size and color. And for the variant photos, a lot of people don't know this trick, but you can just select all of them and click Add Images, and then you can just select the image and it will put it on all of them, so you don't have to open one by one. Finally, we create the search engine listing, and of course, on the page title, use the keywords that you want to rank for. On the description, make sure that you keyword stuff it. Not too much, don't sound like a robot, sound like a human, but make sure that you put all of the keywords that you intend to rank for. I can't stress this enough, but I will show you why. Even for the URL handle, look, the Sweet Science, Sweat Activated, Gym Shirt, Boxing, and that's done. Let's just click on Save and check the product out. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here's the description with the icons and no customer reviews. Okay, all of that is good. Now let me show you why I'm so obsessed with SEO. Let's open an incognito window really quickly. All right, so we have it right here. And let's put on the search, let's put Sweat Activated shirt, all right? So look, who's this guy? That's me, first result. Look, also here on the ads, first result. You know, people think that SEO, you have to invest a lot of money, you know, creating a bunch of articles. Well, let me tell you that the truth is that as long as your website is consistent with the keyword density and the keywords that you want to use, and you put it not only on the text, also on the images, the alt text, and also even on the URL. If you do those things, you will eventually rank organically. And look, page 1, and all of my business are almost page 1. Of course, when you start SEO, don't go for super competitive keywords. For example, I wouldn't go for gym shirt. Let me actually see what happens. Gym shirts. See, I'm nowhere here. Look, Gymshark is right here, but you know, I'm nowhere there. This keyword is too big for me right now. But if you go for gym shirts for men, then that's a little bit less competitive, or if you go for boxing shirts or shirts for marathons or whatever, you will be able to rank a lot faster, and then you can focus on the more competitive keywords. Now that the product is available on our Shopify store, we're going to create a Reel and also a TikTok. On the left, we have the Instagram Reels, and on the right, we're creating the TikTok. Now, I will advise that you always add product links inside of Instagram so people can check out directly. But on TikTok, don't do it because it limits the reach. The next step is to create the email newsletter. For the email, I'm going to use Shopify email. And the subject will be very simple. New design, the sweet science, and then an emoji of a boxing glove, get the attentions of the people, and they will click on it and open it. Preview text, 20% off today only, all right, to create urgency. So we have new, then the product image. If they click on the product image, they will go directly to the product. Then the discount, all right, and then a GIF so they can see it in action. Social media links, and a closing statement. That's ready to go. Let's send it. Now let's create the SMS Blast. And I have to tell you that I always get super excited with SMS because I get the most conversions out of it. The app that I use is SMS Bomb, and I highly recommend it. I'm actually gonna leave a link in the description if you wanna try it out. It is completely free, but of course you have to pay for the SMS that you send. And look at the ROI, look. 38,000x. This is of course because I have automations that when a customer doesn't finish the checkout, it sends them an SMS reminding them so they can go back and check out. And it only costs 5 cents to send an MMS. So, the ROI is extremely high. So let's open the app. Really quickly, let's just check out the ROI of the last 90 days. Yeah, this is something a little bit more digestible, right? 700% ROI. Let's create the SMS campaign, give it a name. For the audience, let's text all of the text subscribers. For the text message, we're gonna put site name so it populates with our website. And then, hey, the first name of the customer, we have a new design, 20% off, today only, get it here. And now we're gonna use a discount URL. So we're going to put a percentage discount of 20%. Make sure that each customer gets a different code, all right? And then for the URL, we just paste the product, all right? And apply. So the email will read like that, and then they will have the link. When they click on it, they will go directly to the product page with the discount. Now we're gonna make it an MMS by adding an image. So let's upload an image. Just like that right there. All right, so the text message is ready. Let's just review the campaign, make sure that everything is correct, and we click on send now. Now we just need to sit back, chillax, and wait for the orders to come. At the beginning, you will get a lot of orders because of the email and the SMS, but gradually they will decrease, and then you will start getting orders because of the SEO and of course other marketing activities that you do on your site. If you want to see more details about creating email campaigns and SMS campaigns, check out this video right here where I showed you how to do both of them and also compare in terms of ROI which one performs better. Thank you, I'm out.